Hello and welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. In this video, let's learn about Format Painter. Do you know what is a Format Painter? Format Painter is located on the Home tab. When you click on a tab, a ribbon appears. The below bar or tab you can see is called as ribbon. On this ribbon is located Format Painter. What is the use of Format Painter? Like the look of a particular selection, you can apply that look to other content in the documents with the help of Format Painter. This means you can apply the look of a text. For example, the look of the first text, "Welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel," is blue in color and background is yellow. If you want to apply the look of this text, that is color and background, to the other text, you can do with the help of Format Painter. Similarly, if you want to apply the formatting of the text, easy, quick and short tutorials are available. If you want to apply formatting, that is color and underline of this text to the other text, you can do this with the help of Format Painter. Now let's get started and use this Format Painter. Now let's learn how to use Format Painter in MS Word. So Format Painter works same in all type of Word, that is 2010, 16 and others. Only it will be located at different position. Now let's begin. First step is select content with the formatting you like. For example, I like the formatting, that is color of this font and background. I will select this. First step is you have to select. Now the text is selected. Next step is click on the Format Painter once. So you have to click once on Format Painter. Now the third step is select something to automatically apply the formatting. Now to apply formatting, you just have to select the text and the formatting will be applied automatically. Let's do it. For example, I want to apply formatting onto this line. Just select this line. This way, the formatting of this text is similar to the first line. So the look of the first line, this one and this is same. So with the help of Format Painter, you can apply formatting of one text to the other into just 3 clicks. Let's do it once again. For example, I want look of this text onto this text. So first step is select your text. Second is click on Format Painter once. And third step is to just select the text. And done. As you can see, color is red with double underline and center alignment. So the same is applied to this text. So Format Painter helps to apply the same look and feel of one text to another. Now, what if you want to apply the formatting in multiple places? Let's do it. You can also apply formatting on multiple places. Follow the same steps. Select your text, appearance and look of this text I like and I want to apply on the remaining text. So for this, first step is select your text. Second step is double click on the Format Painter. So in the first, we only clicked once. Here to apply on multiple lines, double click. Double click and select your text. And done. In this way, you can also apply the formatting on multiple lines at once. This is Format Painter tool available with the help of which you can apply formatting of one text to another. This is one of the shortcuts available on MS Word with the help of which you can apply the look and appearance of one text to other texts, that is to one line or on multiple lines. If you learned from this video, do not forget to hit the red subscribe button on my channel. Give thumbs up, click on the thumbs up button, share with your friends, and let me know your comments in the comment box below. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.